Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving into why the everyday seatbelt is literally a physics marvel.
Imagine a sudden crash. The car stops instantly, but your body keeps flying forward. So why does that happen?
Well, without a belt, your body basically becomes a dangerous projectile rocketing straight toward the windshield.
Your invisible enemy here? Newton's first law, better known as inertia. It desperately wants to keep you moving.
It's a deadly mismatch. The car slams to a halt, but your momentum fights to keep going forward.
The whole game here is controlling how your momentum changes so we can prevent serious injury.
We tackle this using the impulse equation. Force equals your change in momentum divided by stopping time.
In plain English, if you can stretch out that stopping time, you drastically cut down the deadly force.
The seatbelt actually stretches a bit, which buys you precious extra milliseconds to fully stop.
Stretching out that impact time means you feel a vastly smaller, totally survivable force on your body.
But buying time is just part one. How does it handle the impact force that's actually left over?
It brilliantly spreads that force right across the absolute strongest parts of your skeleton: chest, pelvis, and shoulders.
This perfectly prevents all that brutal kinetic energy from concentrating on one single, vulnerable spot on your body.
It's the ultimate lifesaver combo, stretching out your stopping time, then spreading that remaining force across your bones.
Next time you buckle up, ask yourself, are you just putting on a strap or strapping on physics?